Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create colorful big lashes on Dress to Impress for I guess themes like drag races or carnivals, and just something to upgrade your makeup. This works even if you don't have custom makeup. So it's actually pretty simple to do. You're just going to, oops, I just removed my hair. Let me just get that again. Go to the dressing rooms here and then go to codes and go to these lashes here. You can pick whatever you want and you can then adjust it. And then you're just going to select the color of your lashes like that. And I think I'm just going to adjust the lashes a little bit better to fit the eyes here. So maybe somewhat like that. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.